Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get 9 ways to make up to $900 per week. You don't need any experience, I promise you. You can learn how to do any of these things. You just really need to make a decision that you want to change your life and be able to work from home and not have to rush to work, fight the traffic, ask for time off, work long hours and be away from your family, and have a boss to micromanage you. This is going to allow you to have a flexible schedule and be able to be your own boss. But make sure you stick around to the end, because the last one I'm going to share with you, I know someone who has made $100,000 per year and it doesn't require any skills. So let's go ahead and get started right now.
Okay, the first thing I want to talk to you about is becoming a Pinterest virtual assistant. Pinterest has an audience of 420 million monthly active users, and people search for products, services, information, and solutions all the time on Pinterest, but businesses and marketers don't have the time to market on Pinterest, but they also know how powerful it is. I know someone who works 10 to 15 hours per month and charges $275 to $600 per month per client. So you can see if you had 10 clients a month, you could definitely make a full-time income. And the going hourly rate for a Pinterest virtual assistant is anywhere from $75 to $100 per hour. So it does pay very well, but you will have to learn some skills if you want to become a virtual assistant using Pinterest. And I have found someone who is an expert in Pinterest marketing. Her name is Joanna. I can't pronounce her last name, but I will post this in the description below the video. I'm not an affiliate for her, but she is an expert. And if you need to learn how to market on Pinterest, she would be the person to go to. Now, her training does cost, but just imagine if you were going to pay tens of thousands of dollars to go back to school to get a better paying job that would just give you more responsibility and more time away from your family, whereas you could learn from her and be able to do this from the comfort of your own home. I'm in healthcare, and I know one of my friends said, I want to go back to become a physician's assistant. And I thought to myself, well, yes, you're going to get paid more, but I see physician's assistants sitting down at the desk with 20 charts that they have to go through of patients, and that's just one facility that they're working at in one day. So I would say that just spending a smaller amount of money to do something like this would be a lot smarter thing to do, so you can be with your family. The next thing is kind of similar, but it's a social media manager. And social media managers are becoming very popular because, again, businesses and marketers know they need to be on social media, but they just don't have the time to do it. So as a social media manager, you'd be implementing campaigns for clients and individuals, posting, of course, on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter on behalf of your client. And the average salary for a social media manager right now is about $50,000 per year, so that's pretty good. And the benefits of becoming a social media manager is that you can work from anywhere. It's low cost. You can run a six-figure business without any staff or overhead. You can become independent and not have a job, and you can have fun posting on social media. And it is a learnable skill, and it requires no college degree. But somebody who you can learn from, her name is Kate Buck, and I would highly recommend her courses. I am not an affiliate for this either, but I will post a link in the description below the video to have access to her training. But if you go to her website here, you can click on her online courses to become a social media manager. It's just $49 a month, so it's really, really affordable, and she definitely knows her stuff, and she is an expert in the field. So if you are interested in becoming a social media manager, definitely check out Kate Buck. Number 3 is focus groups, and focus groups are when you help businesses to answer questions about their products or services. If you go to a website called focusgroups.org, you can sign up for completely free, and you can see all the different focus groups that are in your area, and a lot of these, or most of them, are done online. And I signed up, and I do get emails quite often that tell me of different focus groups in my area that may apply to me. For example, this one is on healthcare and medications, and that pays $125. And they do pay a few $100s per focus group. It just depends on what the focus group is about. But you can go in and sign up for as many as you want to, and this may not be a full-time income for you, but you can just add this on to some of the other methods that I'm talking about and make a good income on the side. Number 4 is TaskRabbit, and I actually have personal experience with TaskRabbit. But what you do here is you just go to the website, sign up for completely free, and you're going to be doing certain tasks. You're going to be working for yourself, but you don't have to do any advertising, because I found someone that I hired on this website to put together the wheelchair for my dog. And I'll show you her profile in just a minute, but you can see all the different tasks that you can come in here and perform. Somebody may want you to do shopping for them. They may want you to do laundry, wait in line, arts and crafts, entertain guests. There's all kinds of things that you can do on here. If you know something about computers, personal assistant, just go ahead and sign up, create your profile, and then people will book through this site and you can get jobs that way. Now, I wanted to show you my tasker. Rachel, she is again the person that helped me put together the wheelchair for my dog, and we actually didn't have it put together right, so I had to have her come back. But let me show you her profile. So she does furniture assembly, that's what I hired her for, and she charges $37 an hour, help with moving. She helps organize, unpacking and packing, pet sitting, yard work and removal. So you can see she does a lot of different things here. And just the 2 hours that she was with me, she earned $100, including the tip that I gave her. So this can definitely add up to $900 per week. And she said she used to be a cook and she was doing this part-time, decided she didn't really like her boss, so decided to do this full-time. And she does make a full-time income from it. And I asked her if she does any advertising, and she said no, it's all through the websites. That's where she gets her jobs. So definitely check out TaskRabbit, because you can make some really good money with this website.
Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation that has allowed me to make sales like this, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you like.
Number 5 is to become a medical coder. For each medical diagnosis or procedure in an office visit, this is a code that tells insurance companies what was done. So medical coders are responsible for determining what codes to enter. The salary is around $50,000 per year, and you do need to get a coder certificate and training, but you can do this online. But imagine rolling out of bed and going to your computer and working in your pajamas. Now, I know if you do go to a website called Udemy, there are some really inexpensive courses. I would recommend that you just take one of these to see if it's something that you're interested in. And some of these are quite lengthy. This one here is 12 and a half hours, just looking at the profession of being a medical coder. And then to get a certificate, I saw there was one college, Carrington College, that you can get your coding training there. So you can inquire at that college if you're interested in becoming a medical coder. Number 6 is to become an affiliate marketer. And of course, this is where you refer people to products or services, and you learn how to market online, and you earn a commission when someone purchases through your affiliate link. I would recommend recurring affiliate programs, because you want to have that income coming in every month that you can count on. And I will show you a video that I did recently about recurring affiliate programs. It's called 10 Best Affiliate Programs to Make $200 per Day Passive Income in 2020. I will post that in the description below this video so you can take a look at that and see how you can make that recurring income every single month. Number 7 is to become a content creator on YouTube. Of course, the first way you can make money through being a content creator is through Google AdSense. That's where people click on ads on your videos, and you can apply for the Google AdSense program when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. And you can see this is just in the last 90 days what I've made on YouTube, so it can definitely add up. It does take being consistent and putting in the work, but it definitely pays very well. And then, of course, you can promote affiliate products through your YouTube channel. I've made tens of thousands of dollars, a lot more money than I've made on Google AdSense through my YouTube channel. You can also do sponsorship deals. I've had companies come to me asking if I would create a video and then feature their product in my video. And that's a great way that you can make money. Also through merchandise, when you get to 10,000 subscribers, you can list your merchandise on your channel and people can purchase through your channel. Things like t-shirts, mugs, baseball caps, things like that. You can showcase on your YouTube channel. And number 8 is become a content creator on a blog. I recommend that be your own blog that you own rather than be a writer for someone else's blog, because that can definitely add up to a full-time income for you. And a training that I would highly recommend is Income School. I will leave a link to this in the description below this video. It's under $500, and I think this is probably the best training out there. They have a program where you can learn how to replace your income within 24 months. Predictably replace it, like through ads and through affiliate programs, because you want this income to be predictable if you're going to be able to eventually leave your job. And they give you a timeline of how to do that that's very realistic. Like, you may not see income for the first 5 months, but you're building up that authority with Google so that as you continue to post, you will make money. And there's a lot of people in this program that are making really good money, and a lot of people that have replaced their income. I did a video just about this program. It is called Number 1 Passive Income Method to Make an Extra $800 per month, and I will post this in the description below the video. But this is just an example of a website that the owners of Income School created. I think they might have sold this, but just take a look at emborapets.com. And you can see they make money through ads. They also make money through the Amazon affiliate program and some other affiliate programs. So it's a really good reference for you. Just an idea of what you would be doing as a content creator. And I also wanted to mention that they do have their recommended resources, recommended tools, should I say, and you can outsource the writing. And I've purchased through them. They will come up with all the content for your blog, like 30 different article titles. Then you can also purchase the articles being written for you, so you don't even have to write the articles. So if you're somebody who doesn't have the time but you have some money to put into this, this definitely can turn into a full-time income for you if you stick with it and do exactly what they say in the training. Okay, number 9 is couch flipping. Now hear me out on this, because this is the one that I said someone has made $100,000 a year. Now what you're going to be doing is purchasing couches for a low price and selling them for a higher price. Now the criteria that you want to look at is that you want it to be a neutral color, because those sell the best. You want removable, washable covers so that you can take them off and get out any stains. You want to make sure it doesn't come from a house that someone is a smoker, because it's really hard to get the smoke smell out of a couch. You look for sectionals, because these are what sell the best, and you want to buy them anywhere from $100 to $200 and sell them for anywhere from $200 to $300. You're going to buy them on Craigslist. Also look in the free section, because you might be able to find some couches that people just want to get rid of because they're moving. I've done that before. Or on Facebook Marketplace. And again, you want removable covers. You can use Shout. That works really well to get the stains out. Then you're going to relist them on either Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace is another great place to resell these couches. And you're going to offer free delivery, because that's a great selling point if they don't have to come get the couch, and you'll probably be able to get a little bit higher price for the couch. Just some tips for you, and this comes from the person that I learned from that made $100,000 in a year. He said he made $8,000 profit in a month after paying for gas and storage fees, and had $12,000 profit months. Took him 4 hours a day, and he made $400 to $500 per day. So imagine you only had to work half of a day and you were working for yourself. Now this is some hard work. I mean, you're going to need to hustle, you're going to need to put in some elbow grease, but you can work from the comfort of your own home. And he said when negotiating, when buying, offer to pick it up right now, because a lot of times people just want to get rid of something and they don't want to go through the hassle of talking to a lot of people. So if you offer to pick it up right now, it's likely that you'll get a lower price for it. Also take great pictures in a well-lit area, not where you're storing it. And you can put it outside in the well-lit area and take a picture, or if you want to take it in your house and stage it, that's even better. Don't buy from dirty houses, because you never know what you're going to be getting. He recommends you buy 1 to 2 couches a day, and when you list it, be transparent. And if there's a hole or something wrong with it, list that, put that in the listing, and encourage them to come look at it first before you deliver it to them and have them not like it. But he said that doesn't happen very often. And if you need to rent storage, I looked up 10 by 30 drive-up storage unit is about $300 a month, so it's not too bad. He said you can ask the seller to help carry it to the truck and the buyer to help carry it in. They can say no, but he said most of the time people say yes. And then when you get it to your truck, you just leverage it up, half of it up, and then the rest of it up. And so you can load it yourself. It's best to get a truck, but some people that have used this method say they have rented from Home Depot and it's not that much. And the people that I've seen that have used this method have made money in the first week. And they're making really good money with it. So again, it's gonna require some hustle and some elbow grease, but it is a way that you can make a part-time or even full-time income from home.
So I hope you go out there and take these methods and make some really good money, meet your goals, and be able to be your own boss. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 10 YouTube channel ideas that make up to $5,000 per month without showing your face. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.